Ready to vibe? Let's dive into today's track. Let the unapologetic energy of jungle justice ignite your spirit. 13 fuses hard-hitting beats with raw, provocative lyrics. With lines like, "The police can't do it all alone," this track challenges us to rethink authority and community responsibility. Jungle Justice isn't just a song, it's a manifesto. Lyrics such as, "Any man rape a girl in your place but they code," and "Any man kill the elder he gone overboard," force us to confront injustice and stand up for the vulnerable. With nods to urban landscapes like New York, Tribeca, and London, 1313 paints a global picture of resistance and the urgent need for collective action. Every bar resonates with urgency and defiance. This track not only energizes you, but also pushes you to question the status quo and demand accountability from those in power. Solid 810, a must-listen for anyone seeking music with a message and an edge. Hit play now and join the movement.